Hello YouTube. Tired, man, tired. Alright, today I have the 2014 Chevy Traverse, and this is the 3.6 all-wheel drive LT, and have engine light. So I want to read to see what kind of code you have. Okay, cooling temperature sensor. Sensor 1. Okay, sensor 1. And I don't know how many sensors it had, but it's just like sensor 1. Alright, and also have EVAF emissions leak. This is a small leak, so I'm not sure how small. And I know that they told me that they already replaced the gas cap. So small leak normally is a gas cap, but I don't know why it still have small leak on it. And I know for sure it have the cooling temperature sensor and PO 118119. Okay, so 118 is the cooling temperature sensor one, because the 19 just say the intermittent. So intermittent, I mean, it will on and off. According to what they told me, that when the temperature drop, you see the sensor temperature right there, it dropped, then the fan kick on, and when it's reaching like the middle line, then the fan shut off. So kind of odd to me, but I know that this is telling me that it's the cooling temperature sensor. So I'm going to replace that first, and then I'm going to clear the code and drive it to see if the small leak still there. Sometimes you don't close enough, you don't tighten up on your gas cap, and also have that small leak coming up. But according to this right here, let's do the cooling temperature sensor first. I will delete everything from here, and then we'll see after that. Okay, this is the part number for it, SU9668. That's the temp sensor. And take this caps out, and take this cover out of the way. And if you look here, you see a dipstick, and next to it there's a heat shield cover this plug sensor. I don't know if you can see from here. See this, if I go through here and you take out this right here, this is the heat shield that covers this sensor here. And you can, let's see, oops. See that right there? Okay, you have to take out the red plug first, and then you can pull this connector, and that is kind of tight spot right here. Hopefully my camera can catch up what I'm doing here. Try my best to film it. You see this plug right here? Okay, let me take out the red piece, which is you have to use something like this to hook it up. The red pieces right here. Don't really see nothing right here. I don't know why Chevy making so complicated about clip that you have to take this clip out. There you go. It dropped somewhere. I'll find out somewhere. Okay, now push this pin here in so I can pull it. Plug. There. Okay. So now I pull that. I can use a socket. You have to use a deep socket Okay, my camera don't have nowhere to put it, and this is the closest spot that I can get. Okay. All right. So now it's loose. Go through here. Okay, and then new one just go in. New one different color, but it's the same. They work the same. So with my swivel, this is deep socket. So let's drive until the EVAP code coming back up, because I don't know that when they replace the cap they have reset it or not, but likely maybe they don't, so that's why the code was in there, but not really the code. But I will drive for a while to see if that coming back. And likely when you see a EVAP with the small leak, normally it will be the gas cap. And when you put a new cap on it, you have to reset it or just probably disconnect your battery to see if that will clear out the code. But other than that, the cooling temperature sensor is fixed. So thank you for watching. Please help me subscribe. Okay, see you guys next video. Bye bye now.